Good morning, students. Welcome to you. Students, get ready. Today is Tuesday. So, today is grammar or text? Tell me. Today is, yes, very good morning, Kriparna. Oindila is here. Okay. So, yes, very good morning. So, students, this is your English grammar class, isn't it? Anushree, Shankalan, very good morning. No, Indila, today is Tuesday, so English grammar. Okay? Shampurna, today is Tuesday. You forgot that? Yes, Triparna, very good. So, Abhijit, very good morning. Now, tell me, in the last class, which chapter we completed? Who can tell me first? Who can tell me? It's welcome, Shampurna. So, tell me, hey, Shampurna, you muted Shauri, Nasrin? No, very bad. So, tell me, the last Tuesday, yes, very good morning. Shankalun, very good. Kind of sentences, but we also started another chapter, Triparna, negative sentence. Negative sentences, we already started. Do you remember that? Do you? Kinds of sentences, it is completed. Triparna, we started negative sentence. Do you remember? Yes, I just discussed, isn't it? So, let us discuss again what is called a negative sentence. A sentence having not or no, this kind of words, okay, is called negative sentence. I already told you, for example, can you see the board? Okay. So, a negative sentence is having no or not, this kind of word. Okay. So, if I write, he is a good boy. Okay. No, not is not here. So, it is not a negative sentence. So, to make it negative, we will write, he is not. He is not a good boy. Now it is a negative sentence. Okay. Understood? Another example. He has a book. Okay. So, if we want to make it negative, then we have to add the word not or no. So, he has not a book. Clear? Another one, I will go to the market. Okay. To make it negative, we will write, I will not go to the market. So, in this way, we will make it negative. Understood? So, come to page number 9. This is a very small chapter. Another one, another example is, students, now tell me, open the door. Okay. Now tell me what kind of sentence it is. What kind of sentence? Open the door. Answer me. Open the door. What kind of sentence it is? Who can tell me first? Open the door. What kind of sentence? In the previous chapter? No, Shankalan, it is not a statement. Let's see another one. Yes, Shauri. Shauri, very good. Shauri. Oh, Triparna, why not? No, 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 no. I am asking what type of sentence it is. Shatik, correct. Tofik, yes. It is a command. Yes, Sampurna, Norin, Shankalan, now you understood, okay? And you know, when this kind of command is there, then we will, if we want to make it negative, we will add do verb. Okay, do not open the door. Clear? Do not open the door. Another one is sit down. Now tell me the answer. Students, sit down. Tell me the answer. Sit down. We want to make it negative. Now tell me the answer. If we want to make it negative, yes, of course, Lopamudra. Who wrote this? Shauri again. Do not sit down. Very good. Do not sit down. If it is a command, then we will add do not. Shauri, you are the first. Then Shankalan, Abhijit, Norin. Very good. Very good. So I hope you understood. Understood? So I want to practice. You will tell me. Okay? A rabbit can run very fast. Now make it negative. Give me the answer. A rabbit can run very fast. Now make it negative. It can run very fast. So send your answer. Oh yes, Shankalan, a rabbit cannot run very fast. Very good, Shankalan. This time Shankalan is the first. We are discussing, negative sentence, isn't it? A rabbit cannot run very fast. Okay? So, Shankalan, this time you are the first one. Then Abhijit, Triparna, Shauri, Norin. Good. Okay. So, run very fast. Clear? Okay. Now, let's do the exercise. Welcome, Shankalan. Now, the next part, page number 9, exercise. Get ready. Number F. Number F. We will write here. His memory is not sharp. His memory is not sharp. Next. Thank you, Nasreen. Okay. Number 2. He has revised his lessons thoroughly. So, he has not revised. He has not revised his lessons. His lessons thoroughly. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. I am satisfied with your work. I we cannot stand here and talk. Number 6. Number 6. Write fast. So, write fast. Number 7. Mr. Mehra feeling comfortable. Mr. Mehra is not feeling comfortable. Is not feeling comfortable today. Number 8. This school has got an RO water plant. This school not got a RO and RO water plant. Full stop. Number 9. I had kept those toffees for you. I had not those toffees for you. Number 9. Number 10. I am writing here. Number 10. These are difficult. These questions are not difficult. Full stop. Okay, students? Okay, Noreen, Noreen, it is Mr. Mehra, not Mehta. Okay, let me check. Shankalon, yes. Do not. I am not satisfied with your work. Yes, he has not revised his lessons thoroughly. His memory Noreen, his memory is not, you missed is, okay, his memory is not sharp. Next, he has not revised his lessons thoroughly. I am not satisfied with your work, okay. Do not water these plants daily, yes. We cannot stand here and talk, okay. Do not write fast, yes. Mr. Mehra is not feeling comfortable today, okay. The school has not got an RO plant, okay. Noreen, Mr. Mehra, make it Mr. Mehra, okay. I had not kept those toffees for you. I had not kept those toffees for you, yes. Then Triparna had not kept. Hey Triparna, I had not kept those toffees, right? Toffees. And Triparna, Mr. Mehra, M capital letter, Mr. M capital letter, Mehra M capital letter. Okay. Noreen, Mr. Mehra, then Triparna, I had not kept those toffees for you. Next, Shankalan. These questions are not difficult. Okay, Triparna, these questions are not difficult. Yes, Noreen. Then these questions are not difficult. Hey, Indira, do not send the picture, okay? Now I cannot check. That's why. Yes, Noreen. Mr. Mehra is not feeling comfortable today. Very good. Okay, Triparna. Triparna is also writing. So students, this chapter is completed. Now I will ask question. You have to answer. Okay, I am going to ask question. Get ready. Now write the answer. We are giving her a prize. Okay, make it negative. Make it negative. We are not giving her a prize. Yes, we are not giving her a prize. Next, my next question is, come in. Come in. Very good. What happened, Nasreen? You cannot see me? So students, let me see who is the first one. Hey, Shankalan is the first one. Shankalan, Sampurna, Vidyashree, Triparna, Sattik, Oindrila, Abhijit, Noreen, Very good, very good. Nasreen, now you can see me. So students, this chapter is completed. Practice at home this chapter and learn negative sentences. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Okay. Have a good day. Okay. Have a good day, students. Bye bye. Bye, students.